Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Please subscribe my channel and like the video. Today I'm going to make different sweets with polymer clay. For this you just need polymer clay of different colors. I'm making coconut macaroons. Do you like macaroons? I really love it. It is very easy to make these tiny simple things. Now I'm making Dunkin' Donuts. Wow, yummy. Do you want to taste it? Lovely. It's very easy to make donuts. Now it's time for cream roll cakes. Lovely and yummy. You just need clay and make it just like this. Use one color for base and then use white color in between as white cream. Then make small decorative items and attach it on the cake. It's ready. Yummy. Now make this tiny ice cream cone. Now make this tiny ice cream cones. I use brown color for the waffle cone. Make design on it. Make balls of white, blue and pink color and attach it to the cone. Wow, mini cones are ready. Delicious. Do you like lollipops? Yes, of Do you like lollipops? Yes, of course you like it. It's time to make lollipops with soft clay. Make tiny balls just like this. Then make angle strips like this and attach them. Our mini lollipops are ready. For making rainbow lollipops, just make swirl type base and fold it. It's ready. Look how easy it is to make different miniature things. Hope you are enjoying. Look how easy it is to make different miniature things. Hope you are enjoying. Do you love watermelon ice cream? Make watermelon shape first by using red and white color. Then attach stick. Watermelon ice cream is ready. Cheers. Chocolate chip cookies are everyone's favorite. Make round shapes and then attach brown small balls on it as chocolate chips. Yummy. Now make ice cream. It's yummy. It's easy. Hope you all have enjoyed it. Please subscribe my channel. Love you all. Yummy. Now make ice cream. It's yummy. It's easy. Hope you all have enjoyed it. Please subscribe my channel. Love you all.